If you are a fresher and looking for the opportunity to work with TCS, so this video is for you. In my last video, I have asked you one question whether you guys are fresher or experienced, because I wanted to know about my audience and I wanted to bring content accordingly. So many of you have commented over there and maximum of you have mentioned that you guys are fresher. So I will try to get opportunity where maximum freshers can apply. So here I got the opportunity which is available with TCS, and this is completely off campus hiring, and this is the internship profile with TCS. So each and everything we'll be discussing in this video, but before that guys, I have humble request. If you are finding the content suitable, if you are finding the profile suitable for you, please hit the like button, and if you have not subscribed the channel yet or you are new to the channel, please do subscribe the channel, because I am bringing up regularly, continuously technical career updates for you guys. So let's move to the screen and we'll go through the eligibility criteria. We'll go through the job description, exactly what you will have to do, and we'll be discussing about the application process also. So here you can see this internship is updated on the TCS career page. There is no third party involved first of all. Now I'll just tell you what will be your benefit if you will be doing this internship. So TCS is saying that TCS makes it possible for you to achieve your fullest potential. We nurture our talent and equip them to contribute to the creation of better future. With exciting opportunity across a breadth of domains and industries, we encourage you to take the initial step forward, a fulfilling career with us. So you can think guys, if you will get an opportunity as an intern with TCS, so in the future you can get many of the opportunities. And as I mentioned, this internship will be on the research. So the students who work in the industrial R&D environment get access to industry scale problem and data, and they also get a chance to interact with some of the world's best researchers. If you will talk about the eligibility criteria, so what they are looking for, so TCS is basically looking for exceptional and highly motivated PhD, MS, MTech or final year BE or BTech students, and with an aptitude for research in any area of computer science, masters and PhD students from premier institute in the field of psychology, sociology, economics, mathematics, game design and organization behavior may also apply. So basically the opportunities are available for the people who actually want to go for the computer science, for psychology studies, for sociology, for economics, mathematics, game design and organizational behavior also. So what will be your profile here, what you will be doing here? The area of responsibilities will be define and research problem design solution for them. So you will define and research problem and design solution for that. So you will be doing the research, what are the problems you will be finding out, and you will be designing the solution also. You will be developing the prototype solution by applying industry scale data. You will be publishing research paper in top tier conference and journals. So you will get huge exposure from here, and you will be involved into research execution where you will be performing literature survey and identify opportunities and challenges. You will be executing proofs of concept. You will be contributing to development of tools and products. You will be learning about emerging trends and technologies in industry research, and it will give you the idea about recent trend, and you will define the challenge involved in applied research, and you will articulate research problem and systematically design solution. So this is the complete work profile which you will be handling as an intern with TCS. Now let's talk about the application process. So I am giving you link in the description box. You need to click on that link. So once you will click on that link, you will see this form. This is the internship form with TCS. So you need to fill your basic details here. You need to fill your first name, last name, email ID, phone number, your college or institute name, your department, area of interest, location preferred. If you have any preferred location, you can mention here. You need to mention your academic background also, your degree, qualification, course name, year of passing, score, percentage, and then you can submit your application here. So if you want to apply here, you need to fill up this form which is available in the description box of the video. So guys, I hope this video will be help you out. Also, you must have seen the profiles are available for IT or non-IT, both the candidates. So if you have somebody in your reference who are looking for IT or who are looking for non-IT internship with TCS, you can share this video with them. Also, I would like to request you guys, what kind of profile you are searching. If you can just mention in the comment box, I'll be able to get the video related to that, and it will also help me out to create a content according to your preference only. I hope I have covered the maximum details related to this particular internship with TCS. But still, if you have any question, any doubt, any query, you can ask me in the comment box. I'll be really happy to help you out. I'll see you soon with a new uninformative video. Till then, take care and keep supporting me.